Hello and welcome back to my channel, my gorgeous and luxurious flowers. Anyway, I got a few things I gotta do today. But before we get started, I got some packages in the mail. I bought a few pair of shoes. Let's see. I bought some shoes from Bloomingdale's. They were supposed to be, I thought I bought brown. They're black, I guess. Oh well, I gotta check and see. And I bought some things from Nordstrom's rack. Bought some Ted Baker, like these white jellies. Let's see, they were not that bad, just $75. And I bought these pink ones. I also bought this purse. Also, it was on sale for just $50. And I bought my little girl this Jessica Simpson like pant set. And then I bought some more junk. All these shoes. I want to show. I'm like so addicted to shopping right now. It is horrible. I hate to see the statement when it comes from Nordstrom, but I did good though. That was Nordstrom rack. The other one was Bloomingdale. So I did good. I didn't go too bad with it. But anyway, I need to make some runs. I have an order for some flowers for a funeral. And then I need to scout out some locations because I want to do sorry about the lighting. Let's see. Let's go this way. I want to do so let me go get dressed because I look dusty. Oh my gosh. Get dressed and let's head out and get this day started. So today I have two funerals that I am prepping for, and I just stopped at my local supply store to get the cross and the easels to sit the cross on. Now I'm going into my favorite spot to get my flowers. Join me. I'm going to run into Trader Joe's. If there's a line, I'm not going in Trader Joe's. I'll go to Sprouts. I didn't want to pay $20 for 25 roses when I only need about 10. So I'm going to do my favorite and stop and get some. So let's get headed over to Trader Joe's. Oh, and I'm also going to scout out a couple of locations because I want to do a style shoot next week. I'm so running out of great pictures for Instagram, which I hope you guys are following me at Xquisite with an X Floral over at Instagram. And so I need some pictures, and I have a friend with Flavor Films who's going to, I'm going to see if he'll help me out and take some pictures next week for me. So let's go. All right, so I got the flowers I needed. I'm going to be making one with carnations and one with mums. And I'm going to also do a tutorial. I'll have that in the video with me making it going fast. But I'm also going to do a tutorial on how to make a casket. I mean, not a casket, but a floral or flower cross for a funeral. It's very simple, very easy, because of the fact that you are working off of the cross, which is already a floral foam that's already, so you just have to, you know, put the carnations or the mums on there. Simple and easy. So now we're on our way. I'm gonna stop at probably Trader Joe's and grab some white roses, because I didn't. Dropped the flowers off, and I'm back at my office editing videos and about to go on a Zoom meeting with a young lady that she has like some type of business networking. So let's see how that works out. But I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next video. I hate when I'm not looking in the camera. Until next time, bye.